Hi, welcome to Detailing World. In today's video we're going to be doing an interior detail on the works van. Hi, so welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name's Matt, and as I say, today we're going to be doing an interior detail on the works van. Now this van, it's a works van, but I work in IT, so it's not a dirty job. In fact, it's carpeted in the back just to protect the equipment that we have to move about between sites. Generally, it's washed on the outside with TFR in the yard with a broom. Yep, shame on me. And the inside gets a wipe down, you know, when we can, when we've got time. I think the last time was probably 3 to 6 months ago. So just a few crumbs, you know, if we do have sandwiches and whatnot out, you know, in the van. But generally, we try not to. Yeah, before we crack on, we'll take a quick look around it. Right, so there we have it then. As you can see, it's not actually all that bad. So the rear just needs the, you know, toolboxes emptying out and a quick hoover. And then the front, well, there's no stains or anything anywhere in the car. The pedals and the footwell areas, you can probably tell, has never really been given a proper clean. It's a 3-year-old van, I believe, 66 reg, 30,000 miles. So it's only ever been wiped down on the inside, so there's like, you know, watermarks from where the rains came in onto the plastic around the windows. So just sort that out, give the pedals and whatnot a good clean, apply some dressing here and there. So it should only be a half hour to an hour's job tops, so yeah, we'll crack on with it. Right, so that's all the interior hoovered out, you know, a lot of the loose dirt hoovered out. Next up, I'm just going to arm myself with plenty of APC 4:1. I may also use the 10:1 mixture I've got as well. A couple of brushes, so we'll go with something like these, some stiff brushes. These long reach ones for down the sides. First off, I'm going to spray the rubber foot mats with APC, just let them soak for a bit, and then I'll pressure wash them off later on. So yeah, let's crack on with APC. Right, so that's pretty much all the APC work done with. Yeah, as you can tell, I applied it quite liberally. Everything in there is just plastic or rubberized. So I've just coated everything with APC and then just use that work stuff generic brush. another cloth to then mop up all the dirty solution, and then a second cloth to basically dry it afterwards. So yeah, you'll see me using 2 cloths there, and like, yeah, one's to mop it up and then one's to dry. So yeah, next up then is probably give the windows a quick clean. No sealants or anything. If you've noticed the door sills are mucky, that's coming up in another video. Really, you probably will clean the door sills at the same time, if not before doing the interior, probably part of your body wash. But yeah, that's coming up in another video soon. I'll put a link for that up there once it's available. If you're wondering what I'm listening to, well, today it's Childish Gambino. I've been listening to him for a few weeks now. When I did my Nissan Pulsar detail, again, shameless plug, it's up there. When I did that, I gave him a try. Then I've been listening to Anderson .Paak a lot, so I thought I'd try Childish Gambino. Yeah, like it. Leave a comment below, let us know what you listen to. Do you listen to music while you're detailing, or is the wife just nagging in your ear? Yeah, leave a comment below, let us know what you're listening to, or what your favourite kind of music is. So yeah, now we'll apply some dressings and do the windows. Right, so there we have it then. That's the interior done. As I said, not much to it really, it's just a quick one. Apologies if this video isn't up to its usual quality, its usual standard. It's quite hard when you're doing an interior detail with a camera. I had the GoPro you know, clamped onto the bars behind the driver's seat, but mounting this camera is quite difficult. It's on a gorilla pod, you can't get a tripod in there, and yeah, you're trying to find stable surfaces, so yeah, apologies for that. So yeah, you've enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you're not subscribed already, please do consider subscribing as well. Also, you can buy some merch, shameless plug there. I'll put a link below to the merch store. If you want to know, that says detailer across there. And yeah, we'll just look at some after shots and we'll see you in the next video.